Well, good afternoon, everybody. I'm over here in the central district of San Salvador, and we just drove here from the Santa Ana volcano area, and I'm going to go and try some of the pupusas here at Típicos Mimita. My tour guide recommended this place, so looking forward to trying some of this. This is the national dish of El Salvador. Hola, señorita. All right, we're gonna go up here and see what they have. Gonna see it's kind of packed here today. Oh, gotta go inside this way here. Well, this is kind of interesting here. I'm gonna go around this way actually. All right. So, kind of a crowded restaurant here today. This is my guide. How you doing? We're gonna see some, you eat some pupusas here. So let's just go ahead and take a look here at what they.
It's down right here if you want.
Yeah. We're gonna just take a look around here. Let's see what they have here. At the table. Ooh, look at this. Some fresh avocado, and eggs, and beets, and French fries, and shrimp, and chicken. And, I don't know what this says. Looks like different kinds of chicken, fish. Señora, ¿cuál es esto? Lasagna. Oh wow, they have lasagna here too. Okay. So, well, I'm looking forward to eating the pupusas here. So let's go ahead and take a look here. All right. And it looks like they got various kinds of desserts here. All right, I'm going to order my pupusa here in a minute, and I'll check back in with you guys. Okay, everybody, I'm at the restaurant here, and I got my pupusa here, and it's hot, fresh, right off the oven, I guess. And you can tell it's very thick. It's kind of like an Indian paratha, if you will. And I got my little packet of hot sauce here, and if I can get this thing open, what I'm going to do here is just kind of squeeze the hot sauce all over and spread it all over the pupusa.
Yes, you're right.
And let's see here. Let's see how this goes.
Are they over there?
So, and let's stand back up here. And let's try this out here, but let's see how this pupusa tastes here. Oh wow, it's really good. I'm having it with cheese, and it literally like melts in your mouth. The bread is fresh, and the cheese is really like, I don't know, organic cheese or something, but it's really fantastic. Wow. You can tell this is a fresh corn tortilla too. So I got to give props here. So I'm going to sit here and enjoy my pupusa. And this is definitely one of the national foods here of El Salvador, and everybody should try it. I got the vegetarian kind, of course, but definitely yummy and deliciosa, as I say. So this is Dhavaal signing out here from San Salvador, and just enjoying my pupusas here. So, all right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Okay, so just got done eating my pupusas, and you can kind of see how this restaurant is really super busy here. So gonna head out now and with my tour guide, Andonas Gracias. And Andonas is gonna show us around the central area here of San Salvador. Give us a little tour. So anyway, I'm really full, energized now. And the place we ate at here was called the Típicos Mimita. Got that place right here. Yeah, so definitely come out to Típicos Mimita if you want to ever have some pupusas out here in San Salvador. But here's a little shot too of the central market area of San Salvador. All right, this is Dhavaal signing off.